Good morning, Shuan. In this lecture, we will see the amalgamation of firm and only theory part of the amalgamation of firm. Now let's see the first meaning of amalgamation. Now amalgamation is nothing but the merger. What? A-M-E-R-G-E-R. Merger means combination. You know?
Yes.
Combination of firm is known as a amalgamation of firm. That means whenever two or more than two firms coming together and start a new business is known as a amalgamation of firm. So minimum how many companies are there? Two. Not company, the firms. For the coming together and start a new business, that is known as amalgamation of firm. So amalgamation of firm means where two or more than two firms coming together or combination of these two or merger of these two is known as amalgamation of firm. Now in amalgamation of firm, take the example. There are so many kinds of amalgamation, but for SY become we will see only purchase of firm. Only purchase of firm. So there are so many kinds of amalgamation firm. So for SY become we will see only the purchase of amalgamation of firm. Say for example, Messrs A, B, C and Company Limited. Purchase the company. Which company? Messrs X, Y, Z and Company Limited. Or here we can the firm. We can say the firm. Okay, firm. This also firm. Okay. So when the ABC purchase the company of or firm of Mr. X, Y, Z and company of firm, this is known as a purchase of firm. And that is known as amalgamation of firm. So when ABC purchase the XYZ, this ABC is known as a buyer. What we call? Buyer. And the XYZ is called seller. We have second name for the seller and that is called the vendor. What we call vendor. Vendor means what? Seller. And buyer means what? Do purchase the company. And seller means who sells the company. So in this case, when Messrs A, B, C and Company Limited of firm purchase the Messrs X, Y, Z Company Limited of firm, in this case we call the amalgamation of firm in the nature of purchase. So in this case, the company or firm who purchase the firm is known as a buyer. Is known as a buyer. And who sells the company is known as a seller. In this case, seller also we know the vendor. Is known as a vendor. So यहाँ पे दो होता है buyer and seller. Those who purchase is known as buyer. Those who sells is known as a seller. Now, in amalgamation of firm, why this is happening? Why there is a merger of firm? Why there is a combination of firm? Why there is an amalgamation of firm? There are so many reasons for that. Let's we study one by one. This is a part of the theory. You know this economics. So what we say the objectives of amalgamation. We see the features of amalgamation. We see the merits of amalgamation. So whenever question say write short notes on the amalgamation form, तो ये आपको लिखना है. Advantage, objectives and feature. So let's we take the first feature of amalgamation. Why they are coming together? First is very important to expand the business. Or we can do expansion of firm of business. Expansion means what? Extend. बड़ा करना. कोई भी कंपनी चाहते है कि अपनी कंपनी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ब्रांच में हो, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कंट्री में फैली हो, so we get a maximum profit. You can see the Bata and Bata. Each and every branch is there. Okay, Mahindra, each and every branch is there. So they always try to increase the firm, so get the maximum profit. Second, to avoid the competition. To avoid the competition from the market. So, when there is no competition, this creates the situation of monopoly. Now, what is meant by monopoly means where only one
Single
seller and many buyers.
Buyer.
And buyers don't have any other option.
Yes.
Buyers don't have any other option to purchase the goods from the particular seller because there is no other seller. He is the only one person. That is called monopoly. In monopoly, mostly profits go to the producer, profits go to the seller, and consumer don't have any option, so he has to purchase. After that, anyone to produce the goods on large scale level or large scale production. Large scale is what? To produce the goods on very fast. So what happens when producer we large, we require less cost.
Yes.
Because in that case we purchase more raw material, we will discount. We will take the work from the same level, double work. So in this case, when we produce a large production, always cost is going to be decreased. And so ultimately profit is going to be
Increase.
Anyone? Last one? Fourth one? To earn the maximum
Profit.
To earn the maximum
Profit.
is the main motive for the any business place because they are not social
Worker.
They are businessmen. So whenever they are going to start a business, main intention to earn the
Profit.
Main intention to earn the
Profit.
etc. There are so many objectives, but we will write only 4 or 5, not more than that. So in this way, we will see that advantage of the amalgamation, and therefore firm is always interested to come into together and start the business. Now in this case, similar product will be come together. Different product of firm will not come together. For example, Coca-Cola and Thumbs Up. Coca-Cola and Thumbs Up, they will come together because the product is the same. Now Coca-Cola and cement industry, they will not come together because their product is different, customers are different, so there are the lot of differences. Okay, so in that case, the amalgamation of firm is possible only when the product are same. Okay, so in case of advantage, one is that to reduce the cost of machinery. So to reduce the cost of
Machinery.
Reduce cost of machinery because when same product is there, we require same machinery. When different product is here, we require different machinery. So in this case, cost of machinery, cost of factory will be remain the same, and again they will get the maximum profit from the sale of product. So this is very part. Now in this case, what happens? We know there is a one seller and there is a one buyer. Now in this case, buyer means who purchase the company, and seller means who sells
The company.
We use a high level language. Vendor. Vendor is a high level language. Those who are not sitting lecture, they will not understand what is meant by
Vendor.
One day regular will understand. Vendor means
Seller.
Now, vendor will sell the business to whom? Buyer. Now vendor will be out of order because their business will not be remain the in the market. So we have to close the books of the vendor. We have to close the books of
Vendor.
So in books of vendor, we will purchase first. Purchase consideration. What will prepare? Purchase consideration. Purchase consideration is not account. It is a only statement. Purchase consideration is the only
Statement.
Second will prepare the realization account. Which account will prepare? Realization account. Third will prepare
Cash
the
account.
partners capital
Account.
Fourth will prepare the
Cash account.
So in the books of vendor. In the amalgamation of firm, normally, always minimum, how many firm are there?
2.
So this is in the books of first company. Now again second company. We prepare relation account. We prepare the partner's capital account. We prepare the cash account. This purchase consideration will prepare both. Company 1 and company 2 or company A and company B. PC we prepare combined for both the companies. Merger or both company we prepare PC. So Reliance account, partners capital, cash. Again, second company, Reliance account, partners with cash. And after that we prepare the
Balance sheet.
We prepare the
Balance sheet.
So total we are going to prepare the 8 account.
Account.
How many account?
8.
PC common for both.
Yes.
दोनों के लिए common. Reliance account, partners capital account, cash. In the books of A and the books of B. So 3 plus 3,
6.
and balance sheet
7.
7 and PC
8.
So in this way we have to prepare the A, some ledger account and some statement. Balance is a statement and PC is a
Statement.
So these are the accounts we have to prepare in the books of
Vendor.
vendor. Say that because say that अपना business है, we have to close the form.
Yes.
तो किसमें close करेंगे in the books of
Vendor.
बाहर में हम लोग क्या बनाएंगे न्यू बैलेंस शीट. बाहर में क्या बनाएंगे
New balance sheet.
Old balance sheet cancel. New balance sheet will come to exist. New balance will come to together. So these are the theory part of the amalgamation of firm. Now let's we understand how to prepare the first part, purchase consideration. Now before that, what is meant by PC? Purchase consideration. After this we will use only what to what? Only PC. इसके बाद PC and
PC.
So purchase consideration nothing but the amount paid by
Buy.
buyer
Vendor.
to
Vendor.
seller. Because seller is selling the business ना, तो
Yes.
seller को क्या मिलना चाहिए? Cash. Because he is selling the business to the buyer. So buyer will pay money to the seller,
Seller.
and this payment is known as the purchase
Consideration.
100% we ask in exam. What is mean by purchase consideration? Or 5 marks. Write short notes on purchase
Consideration.
So what will write meaning? Amount paid by the buyer to seller is known as the purchase
Purchase consideration.
Now what is the format of PC? This is meaning. Now we have to find out the amount. कितना पैसा buyer seller को देने वाला है? That we have to find out. And there is a format, and that format we have to follow. And this format we follow. There are so many methods, huh? For SY become we have only one method, net asset method. In DY become there are so many methods. In SY become we have only one method, net asset method. And net asset method says that all asset minus all liability. All asset minus all liability which are taken by the buyer. Buyer जितने का जो भी एसेट लेगा उसके बारे में पैसा देगा. जो एसेट नहीं लेगा उसके बारे में पैसा देगा क्या? No. So you have to add one word. All asset minus all liability which are taken over by the buyer. जो लिया उसका पैसा, जो नहीं लिया उसका पैसा लेंगे नहीं. So let's we draw the format. For PC. Purchase consideration. So PC 1. So यहाँ पे लिखेंगे हम लोग PC. यहाँ पे लिखेंगे particular. क्या लिखेंगे? X company, Y company, and यहाँ पे लिखेगा total. So this is our total. So all assets. अब इनका assets taken over. Assets taken over. By whom?
Buyer.
Asset कौन लेगा? Buyer. Buyer से business purchase किया. Liability कौन लेगा? Buyer. because buyer ने सब purchase किया. So first, computer. Okay. Amount दिया होगा. कहाँ पे? Question में. ये लिखा total. Always given in the
Question.
टोटल अपने को करना है.
Yes.
Both figure always given the
Question.
उसके बाद मशीनरी is given. टोटल is given. दोनों का टोटल यहाँ पे. ओके, मशीनरी के बाद क्या आएगा?
Building.
बिल्डिंग. वेरी गुड. is given. बाद में क्या आएगा? फर्नीचर. वेरी गुड. So all asset, fixed asset. Okay.
Building.
Building.
हो गया.
हो गया.
Cash. Land.
Debtors. Very good. Debtors. और क्या?
Goodwill.
Stock. Very good.
Stock.
Bill receivable. Stock. उसके बाद मैं यहाँ पे लिखूँ जरा. हाँ, कंटिन्यू. यहाँ पर छोटा ही करना. Okay, after that,
Bill receivable.
very good. Bill receivable. 1, 2. Or goodwill investment. Very good. Goodwill and investment. इन्वेस्टमेंट लिखता हूँ, बस करता हूँ. इन्वेस्टमेंट. हाँ, वेरी गुड. कैश इन. सो इसका आपको करेगा टोटल. एक इसका टोटल होगा एक्स का, एक इसका टोटल होगा
Y का.
और दोनों का टोटल. तो ये टोटल हुआ. टोटल बोलोगे ए. टोटल इज कॉल्ड ए. यहाँ पर लेस क्या करना है?
Liability.
Very good. Less liabilities. Heading, huh? This heading. First we take the creditors. पहला कौन होगा? Creditors. दोनों टोटल माइनस. Creditors के बाद
Bills payable.
Bills payable.
Loan.
Bank loan.
Bank loan.
We call the bank loan. Maximum इतना ही होता है, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं है. तो इसका टोटल लिया. इसका हाँ, A for asset, A for
Liability.
So asset minus
Liability.
So asset minus liability. We call the
C.
PC for
Purchase consideration.
consideration. So let's again we revise. What is meant by purchase consideration? Purchase consideration is nothing but the amount paid by the buyer to
Seller.
So we have one method to find out the PC amount, and that is called all asset minus all liability. Bracket will be taken over by buyer. And those assets which are not taken over, we have to ignore. We have to ignore because he has not taken. मैंने लिया तो पैसा दूंगा, मैंने नहीं लिया तो पैसा दूंगा क्या?
नहीं.
Very good. So formula. We have to take one full page. Always one full page. PC. Particular X Y total. So asset taken over. Computer. Machinery. Building.
Furniture. Debtors. Stock. Bills receivable. Goodwill. Investment. Cash.
उसका टोटल हम लोग लेंगे. Less liability.
Creditors. Bills payable.
Loan. उसका भी टोटल लेंगे. So asset minus liability is known as the PC. Purchase
Consideration.
So these are the very important format for the amalgamation of
Firm.
Before doing the realized account, partners account, cash account. Realized account, partners account, cash account. First we have to prepare the PC. Without PC, you cannot proceed. You cannot do the next stage. Very good. So this is the theory part. Thank you and all the best for your exam.